Hey everyone, we're back with another Apryse office tour. Today we're checking out the headquarters, located in downtown Denver, right around the corner from Coors Field. So without further ado, let's check it out. Acting as the main hub for all things Apryse, our Denver location boasts a ton of open collaboration spaces, dozens of workstations, and 5 private rooms to get down to business. But it's not all work here. The kitchen's always stocked with snacks, drinks, and coffee, and you won't want to miss the different office games like ladder ball and cornhole to help get over that afternoon slump. Being in such a central location definitely has its perks when it comes to lunch and happy hour options. With dozens of cafes and restaurants within a 10-minute walk of the office, from sushi to sliders, you're always covered. Last but not least, we couldn't end the tour without introducing our headquarters mascot. Goose here is a symbol of the seasons and loves to get decked out, especially around big holidays. Well, that's it for our headquarters tour. Don't forget to check out other office videos, and we'll see you in the next one.